Yung solution na yan, that's fine kung gagawin yun eventually, pero hindi pwedeng naka-down. Hindi siya pwedeng naka-down. At kung ang solution is to have a bigger tier because of your success, marami nag-avail, parang hindi katanggap-tanggap na ida-down natin yan dahil wala tayong pambayad. May pambayad naman tayo. So, Yusek, if I can speak for the chairman here, we want to see that up again, no? At unang-una, sa planning ninyo, di ba? Kasi you plan for the budget. Baka di nyo na plan na magiging successful, which is also difficult to accept. Ngayon na successful yan, maraming gumagamit. You need the higher tier, di ba? So, how much money are we talking about na nagkulang kayo, na hindi nyo mabayaran yung mas mataas na subscription level?
Na-request na po namin ito, Mr. Chair. Ang nangyari po, may budget pong binigay, Mr. Chair. Around 500 million po para mahiwalay po ang Digital National ID. Gaa po ito ng 2025 pa.
Oh.
Kasi na-expect na po namin po yung surge ng gamit po. Kasi 700 times po yung increase ng gamit in a year-to-year basis. Ganun po kabilis po yung digitalization po ng government natin. Hindi po na-release po yung pong 2025 po sa amin dahil po ang one of the reason that time is hindi kasi na-hit po yung BUR po ng DICT. So because of that reason, hindi po na-release po yung budget sa amin.
Hindi na-release ng DBM o hindi na-release ng ahensya sa EGOB?
DBM po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige, may I solicit a answer from
Mr. Chair,
yes,
just,
Secretary Rex?
if I can just pivot back to the list.
Oo.
Kasi wala nga hong listahan itong bansa na to ng mga drivers. Pero pag natapos ho kami by next 2 weeks from now, we will be able to produce a clean list of drivers. Now, ang gagawin ho namin, nag-usap na kami ni SecRC, ibibigay namin sa PSA ito to cross-match with the national ID. So pwede naman yan post ho, bibigay namin, in-name check nila. So we can now match the list with their corresponding national ID. That Secretary RC and I already spoke about.
Yes, Secretary, I get that, no? Pero kung naka-down kasi yung system, yung pag-cross-match niyan will probably be manual or a simple Excel matching. But to have that up again means that data will be captured on the eGov app and so, in short, yes, gagawin nyo yan. Ang point ko lang dito is, I don't think it's acceptable na naka-down yung eGov app, especially now na this is the best time to actually use it, di ba? So may I ask DBM, ba't ninyo ho ito nabigyan ng pondo? Nasagaan naman po yan.
Mr. Chair, we're looking at our releases and as far as the ICT is concerned, 90% of their appropriation has already been released.
For 2025?
For 2026 as well.
So ang binabanggit ni Yusek Davis, 2025.